Hi, today in front of me POCO C50 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while the home screen, the empty space on our home screen, and then you'll see here widgets icon. So just to add the widget on our home screen, we should select one from these available applications. For example, let's use the calendar shadow. Just to add this widget, we should hold for a while the widget and drag it to our home screen. For example, let's use the another one, because here unfortunately we have no free space to this widget. So let's use, for example, the calculator. Just hold the widget and now let's add it to our new home screen. If you want to move the widgets between the screens or create new screens, we should just hold it and drag it. Just to remove it from our home screen, you should just hold it and tap the remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.